How to add or change your profile picture on Zoom. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Zoom application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now, after that, what you can simply do is you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen. Select on the More option. Let's get back to Zoom and simply select on the More option at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see your profile. Now just tap on your profile over here. You can see this is the profile picture as of now. So let's tap on the basic over here, and here you can see the profile photo. So let's tap on the profile photo option, where you can either take photo or choose the photo. I'm going to take a photo over here. So let's click a random picture, and as we click a random picture over here, we can just tap on the check mark, and we just have to wait for a few more seconds. So let's do that again. We can rather even choose the photo as well. So I'm going to select on a photo, tap on gallery, tap on OK, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.